Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of the ToniSport Newsfeed. Before we start the video, I just want to say sorry to all of you guys for letting you wait for quite some time for new videos. We had been very busy in the company and also at the ETS event, so there was not so much time, and also I was running a little bit out of ideas for quite some time for some new video content. But now we are back, and I promise that we will have more clips in 2024. Just have some ideas in my mind which will be the next ones, and I also would like to put you guys on board. So whenever you have any ideas about a video which you would like to see, just send me a message on Facebook, for example, and we can discuss some new video topics. But for today, you can see I have a package here on my table. I like to talk about a new product or a company which is pretty new in my mind or in my brain on the side of RC companies. It's the company ToolkitRC, and the distribution is at Robitronic in Austria, and we have now added 2 of the chargers to our shop at ToniSport, and I want to show you the flagship charger from them, which is called the Q6AC. It's here in the box, and yeah, we will kind of make a quick unboxing now, which I have never done before. I will show you the charger, and I have tested it at the last 2 days on the track, and I will just talk about my first impressions. I will let you know what I like about the charger, what I maybe don't like, and then you can maybe decide by yourself if this is maybe a great option for you or not. Let's get the video started. Toolkit Q6AC. Okay, let's unbox the charger from ToolkitRC. You get it in a nice packaging with a foam on top showing the charger's name again. And then, yeah, very easy. You can see a box with accessories and the charger, which is in a plastic bag. Let's check the accessories first. It's just containing 3 different cables, a DC cable, an AC input cable, and also a cable for making kind of updates for uploading data with USB. So very simple, everything packed in here. This is the AC power wire, and there is a DC power wire which you can configure as you like, and also this small USB cable here for making kind of updates on the charger. So this is what you get when you open the accessories. And then, yeah, time to get the charger out of the foam. Very easy. We'll have some notes from Toolkit and also here from Robitronic in the box. And then it's time to check the charger, which is in my hands now. Super compact, and this is what we're talking about. So I have selected to use the AC power wire now. And before we switch the charger on, I will just show you the connectors you have. Here you have a balancer port, and here you can switch between 2 different outputs for XT60 and this small one, which, to be honest, I don't know the name of. But here you can connect the first of your charging LEDs. Then you have 2 more options here, and you have the same option here on the other side. So you can connect 4 batteries to this charger at the same time, which is pretty cool. Yeah, this is the DC input option you have, and also the USB connectors you have here, the standard USB and the USB-C. So everything is here. You can see the cooling fans in the back, so nothing special. Yeah, now time to switch it on, but before we switch it on, I will just connect some charging LEDs here. Let me see which one I have prepared for this side, and this one for the other side. So I will just connect 2 of them now, because I don't have more charging LEDs in the house. Yeah, so this is what it looks like when you have connected two charging LEDs for using with your batteries. Yeah, now it's time to get it to life. It's powering up now. You can see the display switches on, and you will hear the cooling fans just for a couple of moments. Yeah, now you can see the screen. I hope that you can see it here in the video. Yep, maybe like this. This looks good. Yeah, this is what the screen is looking like. You have two buttons which you can use. This is kind of the master button, which you only can push or press to select between the 4 channels you have here. And then you have kind of this roller button, which you then can use to move through the different menus and to select the different options. Yeah, this is what the charger looks like when it's powered on. And now we will proceed with the next features of the charger. So now when you have connected the charging wires, the charging LEDs, you can make your settings on the charger. You can see here that we have 4 channels because you can connect 4 charging LEDs all around. And yeah, you can use the master button here to navigate from channel 1 to channel 4 like this. Now we are on channel 1, and when you push the roller button here, then you get into the menu for making the settings of the charger. You can easily select what you like to charge, different battery options. Then you have you can select the number of cells you have. You can select the mode if you like to charge, discharge or storage your battery. You can select the cutoff voltage of the cells. So you can also use this for high volt batteries. Yeah, and here you can select the current up to 15 amps per channel, which is really cool. Yeah, this is how you select it. And now we will just connect some batteries, and we'll start a charging process to show you how the display looks like and what it shows and what it doesn't show. You can see that I have connected 2 of my Nosram racing batteries here to the charger. And now it's time to get the charging process started. What is really cool, the batteries, they are just connected to the charger. We haven't started anything, but you can see the battery voltage here on each channel. So 7.5 volt for both of these packs at the moment, which is also pretty cool. So you can quickly check how full or how empty your battery is before you start to charge it. It's also good for maybe making kind of a quick check. So on channel 1 we have now 7.58, and when we go to channel 4 we have 7.57, so almost the same. Yeah, so now let's start to charge here on channel 4. You just have to navigate to the start, and then it will start to charge. Then we go here to channel 1 and start the other one. And yeah, now both channels are charging. Everything is underway. And this is how the overview of channel 1 looks while charging. You can see that the current goes up to 9 amps, which I have set it. And here's the battery voltage. And here you can read the battery voltage per cell. So now this charging process is underway. Here in the channel 1 overview, you can also see the voltage, the current, and yeah, the status of the battery. So it's already at 67%, which is counted or calculated by the voltage you have set. So we are now at 69% of the voltage you like to get. Now you can just use the master button to navigate to channel 4. Then you can see what's going on channel 4. When you are on a channel and you use the roller button, you can see here now where we see the voltage. When you make the roller, you can see the internal resistance of each cell, which is also nice. And yeah, the power which is used, and that's it. These 3 things you can check during the charging for each channel. Yeah, and then you just have to wait until your battery is fully charged. This is one of the basic things which you expect from every charger. But now I will just show you what you can also do with this ToolkitRC charger, which makes it so cool and special in my opinion. Okay, so while we are now charging 2 batteries at the same moment, you can also see that you have a wireless charging option here on top of the charger, which you can use to charge your phone very easily. And you also can put, for example, your FlySky radio or all other radios which have a wireless charging option. You can just put them on top and it will start to charge the battery. Just have to put it in the center, and then you can see that you can charge your radio while you're charging your batteries at the same moment. So super cool. You don't need an extra charger for your radio or also for your smartphone. So it's really cool to have this as an option. So we are still charging two batteries. This time I have connected them to channel 3 and 4, just for example. Let's go to channel 1. I have now connected this SkyRC power hub to my charger, this power adapter, because now we go into the menu of channel 1, and then we don't go to a battery, we go all the way down here to power. Now we have the option to use channel 1 as a power output, like you can also do at a power supply. So we will try to set it now maybe to 16 volts, because I want to connect my tire warmers. They need around 8 amps. And now, as you can see, when I push the start button now, we will transform channel 1 into a power supply. And you can see immediately that the tire warmers will power up when I connect them to the power bank. So let's see. The tire warmers are on, and I can start them. Now they are heating up, and you can use your tire warmers together while charging two batteries here, for example. I charge the batteries now with 9 amps each, and I also have connected the tire warmers. And last but not least, you can also plug in a pit light as well. So it's a really nice setting, and everything is connected to the charger only, to the power device, to the power supply of the charger. So this is something which is really cool in my opinion, because especially the fact that you can connect the pit light, okay, but to make it work with the tire warmers, for me is something which we have always looked for. And now it's heating up the tire warmers, and you can use the tire warmers with the same device as you are charging your batteries. Yeah, after so many positive things, there must be something which is maybe not as perfect as you have wished for, and it is there is the option when you want to discharge a battery, which many racers are doing all the time. This is the only thing which is maybe not in a perfect way. Channel 4, the battery is connected. When we now want to, let me check where I am. When we now want to discharge the LiPo battery, you go to discharge, and then you set your 3.3 volt per cell. So, and there is the weak point. You can use a maximum discharge current of 3 amps only, which is not a lot. It is okay to discharge a battery slowly and to put it into storage mode and stuff like that. But when you are a hardcore stock racer and you are going to discharge your battery before charging, most of the drivers, they use 20 amps to discharge the battery very quickly. You cannot do it with this toolkit charger here. But I think most of the stock racers who are taking it super serious, they have already bought an external discharging device, which they are using all the time. So for these people, I think the Toolkit Charger is a very good solution as well, even if they are stock racing professionals. But yeah, if you don't have a discharger and you want to use your charger to discharge the batteries with a high current, you cannot do it here on the ToolkitRC Charger. This is something you have to keep in mind. Yeah, but everything else is very, very cool. Another thing is when you switch the charger off and you switch it on again, you have to readjust all the settings you have made. We have already informed ToolkitRC about it, and they have told us to yeah, improve the software that you keep the settings you have when you're switching off the charger. So there will be an improved software out very soon, I think. And yeah, then this small little problem is also gone. So that's it for the ToolkitRC Charger. Many, many functions, great options, but not the perfect one for discharging with a high current. Okay guys, that was our video for today here about this charger from ToolkitRC. I hope that you liked the video and maybe it will help you making a decision to buy or not to buy this charger. Overall, for me, a very good product, and I can recommend it for sure when it suits the demands you have in your racing program. Yeah, that was the video for today, guys. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel until now, please do it. And also make sure that the bell is on. You will never miss any new content in the future when we upload some more videos here on the ToniSport Newsfeed channel. I wish you a pleasant outdoor season, which is now getting underway. I hope that you will have a sunny summer season with a nice racetrack close to your home. And yeah, I hope that you will enjoy our great sport and the hobby in a good way. And yeah, until the next time, always keep in mind, race with ToniSport. You will never race alone. And we see us in one of the next ToniSport Newsfeed videos. Until then, have a great day and goodbye.